Everybody, good morning. I'm just gonna say this real quick, man, because here in the United States, we're having like problems again with the white folk of the Donald Trump administration. I'm gonna say this really pretty much because, like, I gotta present some evidence. There they go, man. They're checking them papers, folks. Checking them papers. I'm telling you. Early in the morning. Anyways, I saw something weird, and the harassment by the police or by some people that work for the government, either federal, they're using that technology to harass immigrants and target them. And I saw it. And like, at first I didn't know what I was looking at. I was looking at like a video, and that's when I heard like them saying the N-word in the video, and like I was like, wait, what they say? And I remember, that's how they do the cyber, the cyber operations. And they work with law enforcement or whatever to target the immigrants. And yesterday I did my vigil for that guy, because like the guy was like, he was being told, he was being gotten by the people of the ICE, doing the ICE raids. But like over here, just immigrants out here in Liberty, Texas, we're being harassed as immigrants. And right now I just passed a vehicle that got stopped by some police officer who was checking them papers. And I saw the guy's face, and he was like yelling, he's getting upset. Things are not calm anymore here in Liberty, Texas. Things are getting out there, folks. And as much as they want to hide what they're doing, I think I don't know, like, it's kind of elevated. And I'm doing my reporting here in Liberty, Texas. Whenever I got a chance, I'll show you some stuff that's going on. But they are using the technology to harass immigrants. It doesn't matter if you have papers. Like, you could have papers and they could be harassing you for being an immigrant. And that's like the feds. They're working with the police. Either it's like ICE or the FBI or somebody working with the technology. And when you look at the video, man, I saw the video, and they're trying to like covertly call me like the N-word. And I didn't know what I was looking at first, but it's like a sort of form of cyber harassment. It's to prime you up is to get you upset. So when you actually face like a police officer, you make the error of like getting upset, you know, because you're already like disgruntled psychologically. So they want to prime you up and set you up, you know, psychologically. So whenever you get confronted by ICE or like the police, you end up getting upset with them, and you end up doing something fucked up. So you gotta be careful out here, folks, because this is psychological warfare going on. And it's early in the morning, but like I'm doing my reporting, referring to the immigration raids and some stuff going on, and the vigil that I made yesterday. I'm just gonna tell y'all, man, if it ever gets to that point with the immigrants or citizens that are born of immigrants, if they ever cross the line there and they get to the point like where I'm at, where I don't trust anybody that is like Caucasian. I don't trust no Caucasian American for the fact that you know that they were the ones in charge of doing all the stuff when I was like having to deal with a bunch of problems. And they even told me, you know, that they were white and they were doing the operations with the government, and they were like hiring Nazis, like neo-Nazis, to harass me and stuff like that. But like as I said, it hasn't gone to mass scale yet to what I've experienced, but like it's gonna get there slowly, because like I'm watching and it's getting there, folks, and nobody's stopping it. Not the President of the United States, not Donald Trump's administration, nobody is stopping it.